Hi, I'm Gaurav Mehta. I'm a fund manager at SBI Mutual Fund. Today I'm here to talk to you about SBI Retirement Benefit Fund. Now, as the name suggests, this is a solution-oriented fund, and we provide a one-stop solution to your retirement planning needs through this fund. I think one important question before we proceed is that why do you need a goal-based fund, or why do you need a solution-based fund when you have so many other kind of funds available in the market, right? From equity funds to debt funds to hybrid funds. Can't you just use those existing funds to plan your retirement or any other goal? I mean, definitely you can. But real life में problem क्या होती है कि mutual fund investments are typically liquid investments. जब भी life में कोई ज़रूरत आती है, we tend to dip into these investments, and as a result, we lose focus on the long-term achievement of our goals. Now, market itself goes through so many ups and downs, and sometimes what happens is that the emotions get better of us, and as a result, for short-term gratification, we sort of either redeem our funds at the wrong time or invest into those funds at the wrong time. But overall, what we do is we lose focus of that long-term goal, and as a result, we sort of go off track with respect to achievement of that goal. Now, what a solution-based fund does is that it anchors the investor's expectation to the achievement of that long-term goal. So in this case, आपको पता है कि ये जो पैसा आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं ये आपके रिटायरमेंट नीड्स के लिए है. And as a result, there is a good chance that once you know that there is that discipline to invest for your retirement, you will continue with that investment and you will stick with it for a longer period of time. And investments का मजा वही है. The longer that you stay with your investments, the greater is the benefit of compounding, the greater is your wealth creation, and most importantly, the greater is the likelihood of you achieving your goals. So from that point of view, any solution-oriented fund is very preferred, and at least some portion of your wealth should be allocated, or some portion of your savings should be allocated to such solution-based funds. And retirement planning से बड़ा decision तो I think हमारी जिंदगी में कुछ होता नहीं है. So which is why this retirement benefit fund, I hope, should give you that avenue to plan your retirement at a one. This will be a one-stop solution to all your retirement needs. Now there are other advantages also of this fund. So first, for example, the fund offers an insurance, a life insurance, wherein basis your SIP amount, you are provided a life insurance. Second, there are 4 different plans. आप पूछेंगे कि मेरा रिस्क प्रोफाइल क्या है और मैं इस फंड में इन्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं. And just to answer that question, we have come up with 4 different plans on this fund. There is a conservative plan for people who have the least risk profile. This is largely a debt-oriented scheme. There is a conservative hybrid. इसमें थोड़ा सा allocation equities की तरफ भी होता है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा conservative से. This is still conservative, slightly less conservative than the conservative plan. There is aggressive hybrid, which is even higher allocation to equities and a little more aggressive in nature. And then there is an aggressive plan, which is largely only equities. So ranging from conservative to aggressive, there are 4 different plans based on your risk profile. Now, the important part is that there are 2 ways in which you can invest in these plans. There is a my choice option, which means अगर आपको लगता है आप risky investor हैं, आप aggressive में जाना चाहते हैं, आप choose कर सकते हैं किस plan में आप जाएंगे. The other option is to go through an auto transfer facility. ऑटो ट्रांसफर फैसिलिटी में आपकी एज के हिसाब से आपको ऑटोमेटिकली एक फंड से दूसरे फंड में मूव किया जाएगा. सो व्हेन वी आर यंग, वी हैव अ हायर रिस्क एपेटाइट. सो लेट्स से इफ यू आर 40 years and below, you start in the aggressive plan. Between 40 and 50 years, you move and stay in the aggressive hybrid plan. Between 50 and 60 years, you move to conservative hybrid. And 60 years and above, you're automatically moved to the conservative plan, where that debt allocation is the primary allocation. And as a result, the chances of you losing your wealth becomes that much lower. So ये दोनों facilities आप use कर सकते हैं, auto transfer facility या my choice facility, जिसमें आप choose कर सकते हैं एक specific plan जिसमें आप जाना चाहेंगे. So now we'll come to the investment strategy of this fund. मैंने आपको जैसे शुरू में कहा कि एक solution oriented fund का फायदा ये है कि एक investor की expectation बन जाती है कि long term पैसा है मेरे retirement के लिए, और इसलिए मैं इसके साथ ज़्यादा बीच-बीच में tinker around ना करूँ, and I stick with the investment discipline. Similarly, I think the advantage of such funds is that even for the asset manager or the fund manager, it sets the expectations right. That this is long-term money, this is aimed at retirement planning of individuals, and the fund manager also then allocates the fund makes the investment strategy which suits that objective of retirement, rather than a one-size-fits-all approach. So what we intend to do differently in this fund, for example, is that as I said, there are 4 plans with stipulated asset allocation ranges. Those are the long-term ranges that bases the risk and age of the investor he or she should be in. But beyond that, there are these ranges on all 4 of those plans. So tactically, you can move from, let's say, 10% equities to 40% equities in the conservative hybrid plan. Whether you are at 10% or 40% in itself will have a very important bearing on your long-term investment returns. So that's the first aspect of it. That within those long-term asset allocation ranges, tactically, where are you? Are you on the lower side of equity allocation or higher side of equity allocation? Then, the fund can also invest up to 10% of its portion in REITs and InvITs, up to 20% of its corpus in gold, and then it can also invest in overseas equities. So all of these asset allocation decisions will have an important bearing, and you don't have to worry about kaise ho raha hai. The fund manager takes care of it, keeping your retirement goals in mind. The second aspect is security selection. Stocks खरीदना है, लेकिन कौन से stocks खरीदने हैं? कुछ periods ऐसे होते हैं जब economy is going through a downturn and you don't want to be buying cyclical stocks. Then there are some periods where the economy does very well. But largely, I think the most important part of this fund is that this is a long-term fund. This is a long-term plan with a long-term retirement objective. And we are also creating our portfolio, creating that long-term objective in mind. And long-term में एक चीज जो सबसे ज़्यादा काम करती है वो है compounding. So what we will do in this fund is that we'll keep at least 50% of equity allocation in these strong businesses which consistently compound over a period of time. So these are stable businesses. They have a proven track record of profitability. They have a proven track record of growth, and they have strong managements. And just because they keep compounding their businesses at a certain rate over a period of time, the investor also gets the benefit of long-term compounding. So this will be the core portion of the portfolio. At any point, at least 50% of the equity allocation. But the other piece is the satellite piece, where we can move between 0 to 50% with respect to equity allocation. And that satellite piece will be more about the ideas that are dependent, let's say, on the business cycle. If for the next 3 years you think that the economy is going to be an upturn, then you can add certain ideas which benefit from an economy doing well. Or there will be certain sectors that will be going through their own phases of consolidation, and you might want to buy a sector leader to benefit from that trend. Or very simply put, there might be certain pockets of the market where there is a significant valuation anomaly, and you may want to exploit that. But these are ideas which will be at any point between 0 and 50% of the equity allocation. And these are ideas where there is slightly higher risk, but at the same time, the chances of making extra returns or non-linear returns is also that much higher. So if you look at this overall fund, you are getting 3 things. First, that asset allocation decision is being taken care of. 2, the core portion of the equity portfolio is in long-term structural compounding ideas. And 3, there is an overlay of ideas which benefit from the macro cycle or any valuation anomaly that add non-linear returns to the consistent compounding that you're getting from the core portfolio. So in a way, जो तीनों decision एक investor के दिमाग में हमेशा रहते हैं, all 3 of them are getting taken care of here. So, overall, if I look at this fund, I think this is a fund that can be a one-stop solution to all your retirement needs. And, you should definitely look to invest at least some portion of your portfolio here for the long term in a disciplined manner to have a happy retirement. The NFO opens on January 20 and it continues till February 3rd, 2021. If you are already on the Grow platform, the fund will be available on the platform and you can use it to invest. So happy investing, and we look forward to embarking on this wonderful journey together.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.